Alright, Thomas, Hammerdown Auctions, just going to give you a little walk around video on this beautiful 1965 Plymouth Fury 3. This car has underwent a frame off restoration. The underneath is just as nice as the top on this car. Nice and straight. Everything lines up great on the car. Look at that underneath. This is a 4-speed car. Everything is showing in great condition. Show you down the side here. Like I said, it is a 426 Wedge. Look at that emblem. Show you under the hood here. Everything is just very nice and clean on this car. Once again, Thomas from Hammerdown Auctions, giving you a look at this 1965 Plymouth Fury. Any questions, give us a call, 402-884-8884, and this will be going through on Saturday, August 29th.
Local